Getting charges thrown out. Today we're learning how attorneys for embattled dentist Howard S. Schneider are trying to do just that.
Dr. Schneider is facing trial for Medicaid fraud. Many parents have also accused him of abusing their children when the children were his patients. Channel 4 Scott Johnson was in the courtroom. Scott, did Dr. Schneider's attorneys get the charges dismissed?
They're still working on it, but they showed up here in court today to say the claims against Dr. Howard S. Schneider are simply too vague and need to be thrown out. The majority of them are for Medicaid fraud. They've been leveled by the Attorney General's office. Now, today, Dr. Schneider's lawyers showed up to argue that the charges need to be thrown out. He claims they are vague, and it's impossible to defend them because the Attorney General's office was not specific enough in detailing how he committed Medicaid fraud. Schneider's lawyer even cited a clerical error that shows Schneider charged with a crime that does not exist. Schneider himself was not there today, but he was in court yesterday to be arraigned. We have video here. I attempted to interview him unsuccessfully outside the courthouse. But in the end, today in court, the judge delayed her decision for roughly a month to give both sides a chance to get their facts in order before she rules. I spoke with an attorney not affiliated with the case who says it's critical for the Attorney General's office to get specific to make sure their charges stick.
Remember, it's not just the judge, but ultimately it's going to be a jury who has to ascertain and listen to all of the facts and make sure that the state has proven this beyond a reasonable doubt. So what the defense is saying is that for me to be able to properly mount a defense, I need to know the specifics of who the exact victims are, the timing of the victims, the allegations that specifically pertain to each victim, time and date.
So the judge gave both sides until February 23rd to get all their arguments in order and those details submitted so both sides can review, and then she will make her decision here at the courthouse a month from today on March 9th on whether or not Dr. Howard S. Schneider could face criminal charges or if they're thrown out. We're live downtown at the courthouse. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.
Police are trying to